Okay, today we're going to learn intersections of lines and planes. What did we talk about yesterday? What were the three words that we focused on yesterday?
Coplanar, coliner, and plane.
Coplanar, collinear, and then when we talked about lines and planes and points, right?
Yeah.
We talked about that yesterday. Now we're bringing in intersections of those lines. What is an intersection? In your own words, what's an intersection?
When two lines cross.
When two lines cross, what else is an intersection? I-80 can be an intersection, okay, with all those overpasses. What else is an intersection? What about right out here by the railroad tracks? That's an intersection, right? You either have to go right or left. Okay? Intersections are where things connect and cross each other. Okay? Keyword is connect. So, on example 1, we want to name the intersection of lines AC and BE. So we have AC here and BE is right here. At what point do they intersect at? Where do they meet? Where do they cross? Point B. Okay? They cross at point B. Right here. Here's BE, and then we have AC. What I write down, you write down. They cross at point B. Okay, name the intersection of BE and DF. So we have BE here, and we have DF here. What point do they cross? E. Good. Last one, we have the intersection of AC and DF. AC is up here. DF is right here. I like that, okay? They do not connect at all, okay? They are parallel lines. They will never connect. So we put none. Or NA, okay? What about BE? Some people last period thought that BE was an intersection. Why is BE not an intersection? Doesn't it cross both lines?
Well, I mean, technically, yeah, but it's one line.
But do those AC and DF, do they ever cross each other? No. Okay, so BE, that is not an intersection. Okay? When lines intersect, it will be a specific point. Okay? Any questions on intersections of lines? Okay. Moving on to intersection of planes, okay? What's different between intersection of planes and intersection of lines? Okay, their shapes. Are they going to cross at a specific point?
No, they're going to cross a line.
They're going to cross at a line. Good, okay? So we want to name the intersection of planes S and R. Plane S is this up and down green one, okay? Plane R is the top blue one. Where do they cross? What is their intersection? Line K. Good. Everyone see that? No. Okay, we want to name the intersection of planes R and T. Where's R and T? R is right here, and T is right here. Name the plane at which they intersect. Do they intersect? Why?
They're parallel.
They are parallel. Good. They do not cross. They are parallel. Okay, last one. We want to name the intersection of planes T and S. S is up and down.
L.
T is right here. Does everyone agree that it's L?
Yeah.
Any questions over intersection of planes? Okay. Do those next two slides on your own or with your elbow partner, and then we'll talk about them. We want to name the intersection of line PS and line QR. What'd you guys get? Does everyone agree that it is R?
Yeah.
I don't agree.
What did you get?
R.
So you agree. Okay. Number 2, we want to name the intersection of TV and QU.
U.
Does everyone agree?
U.
Okay, I do agree. Name the intersection of PS and UV. Why?
They're parallel.
They are parallel, so there is no intersection. Any questions on intersection of lines? We all agree on all those? Okay. Moving on to intersection of planes. Name the intersection of planes X and Y.
P.
Everyone agree?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Name the intersection of planes Y and Z.
Q.
Everyone agree? Finally, name the intersection of planes Z and X.
And
Why?
They're parallel.
They are parallel to each other, so they will never cross. Nice job. Okay, now we're going to get into sketching different examples. Okay, so flip your notes over to the back side. We want to sketch a plane, then sketch each of the following. Okay, so a line that is in the plane. What does a plane look like? A shape. Okay, I'm going to just use a square for now, or a rectangle. Okay, we want a line that is in that plane. How can I do that?
Draw a line.
Just draw a line in that plane.
And then name it.
Yes, that is very important. Name the plane and name the line. Get in that habit. Name the plane and name the line. Okay. B. It says start with the plane. It says a line that does not intersect the plane.
It's all outside of the line.
Where?
Oh, no.
What direction does it need to go?
Left.
Can I put it this way?
Parallel.
Why can I not put it that way?
Parallel.
Right, because these arrows means it goes on and on and on forever. Okay? Right. I'm going to make it parallel. They will never intersect. Okay? Again, label. Okay, last one, draw a plane. We want a line that intersects the plane at a point. At one point. How do we do that?
It touches the corner.
Yeah, it touches the edge. Can I draw a line through the middle?
No.
Why? Because it's touching two different points. Okay, we want it touching one point. So what Trent said, point right on the edge. That's the only point that crosses. Yes?
Yeah.
Any questions over any of those? Okay. Next one, we want to sketch two planes that intersect in a line. So I'm going to start with one plane. Plane A. How can I make another plane intersect that plane? Yep. And then that line would be right here. Okay? There are two planes that intersect, in a line. Okay, they intersect at line L.
Does that work?
Yep.
Okay.
Make sure you put your line in there, though. Okay, last one. Try these three on your own, and then we'll go over them. Okay, who's doing number 7? I already forgot.
Not me.
You're number 7?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, Trent. Do it, Trent.
You gotta explain what you're doing in the microphone.
I do?
Yep. Explain what you're doing when you do it.
Oh no, I didn't
So-
record
You got the plane.
it. Trent.
That was a really bad plane. It's fine. It's hard to draw with this thing.
That's fine.
Okay, we got the lines. Go like that and like that. There.
Good. Does everyone agree? Nice job. He has a plane with 3 lines that lie in the plane. Nice job. Okay, number 8.
I would put it on like a desk and draw it, not like hold it.
Okay, say what you're doing when you do it.
Let's go, Aiden.
This is the plane.
There you go. I like the visual indication of intersection. Look at that.
Nice job.
What a marvel.
job. He drew a plane with two lines that intersect at the same point. Both of those lines intersect at that point on the edge. Jordan. Austin's doing this one.
What? Why? Have you stopped, Jordan?
There's no way he raised his hand first.
Okay.
No, she literally walked up and asked him if he wanted to do it, and he said yes.
Talk about what you're doing when you do it.
When did she ask
So
you?
here's one plane, and then here's the other one.
Good. Two planes that do not intersect each other. Nice job. Okay. Any questions over anything we went over today? All right.